If you're a rider staring down 100,000 kilometers on your odometer, you need to make a choice: rebuild, restore, or retire your bike. Every rider knows the feeling, watching the odometer approach 100,000. It's a quiet milestone, often reached on a familiar road, just you and your bike. The sun's right, the engine hums, and you're in sync with the machine. You glance down, 99,999, anticipation builds, then, the nines flip to zeros. Suddenly, it reads 100,000. You smile, thinking of every road, every memory, every challenge you faced together. Each mark on your bike tells a story: scratches, stickers, dents. You wonder, keep riding, rebuild, or say goodbye. The bond is more than a number. The odometer's rolled over. But your journey isn't done. The road ahead is yours. What will you do with the next 100,000? This isn't your first big decision about your bike. Remember choosing it? The research, the test rides, the excitement. Then came the tweaks, exhausts, tires, panniers, each choice shaping your ride. Every oil change, every upgrade was an act of commitment. But now, the 100,000 kilometer question looms. This isn't about accessories, it's about the bike's future. Do you invest or move on? It's a crossroads. Sentiment, finance, and identity all collide. The decision you make now will define your bike's legacy. What path will you choose? Let's bust a myth that's been floating around for far too long. Hitting 100,000 kilometers on your motorcycle's odometer isn't a death sentence for your beloved machine. In fact, it's not even close to the end of the road for most modern bikes. Today's motorcycles are engineered with precision, using advanced materials and cutting-edge technology. Manufacturers design them to withstand the test of time, with robust engines, durable frames, and components that can handle years of riding, if you treat them right. Think about cars. Many easily surpass the 100,000 mark, and motorcycles are no different. With proper care, your bike can keep up with, or even outlast, many cars on the road. The odometer is just a number, a record of your journeys, not a built-in expiry date. It doesn't mean your bike is suddenly unreliable or ready for retirement. What truly matters is how you've maintained your motorcycle. Regular oil changes, timely servicing, and a little bit of love go a long way in keeping your ride running smoothly. In fact, a well-loved, well-serviced older bike can easily outlast a neglected newer one. It's all about the attention and care you give it. So, the real question isn't how many kilometers you've clocked, but how well you've looked after your machine. Have you checked the oil, kept the chain clean, and listened for those little noises that need attention? Reaching a high-mileage milestone is something to celebrate. It's proof of your bike's reliability, your sense of adventure, and the memories you've created together. Don't fear the number. Wear it as a badge of honor. It's a testament to your journeys, your commitment, and your bike's enduring spirit. Remember, your bike's story isn't over unless you decide it is. Every kilometer is another chapter, another adventure waiting to unfold. The journey continues as long as you want it to. There are always new roads to explore, new places to discover, and new memories to make. In the end, what truly matters is how you've ridden, the experiences you've gathered, and the care you've shown. Not just how far you've gone. So keep riding, keep exploring, and let your story roll on. Mileage doesn't define a bike's health. Maintenance does. Regular oil changes, chain care, valve checks, and fluid replacements keep a bike young. Skipping these, that's what ages a machine. A full service history is gold. It tells the real story. A high mileage, well-maintained bike is often a better bet than a low mileage mystery. Every small task prevents big problems. That six-figure odometer? It's a reward for doing things right. Don't see an ending. See proof of your dedication. Your care is what keeps the adventure going. Maintenance is the secret to a long, happy ride. Now's the time for a real health check. Listen to the engine. Does it start easily, idle smoothly, sound right? Take it for a ride. How's the power, the shifting, the clutch? Watch for smoke, odd noises, or rough gear changes. Check the frame, suspension, and electrics for wear or damage. A thorough inspection tells you what's strong and what needs work. This honest assessment is your guide. Know your bike's true condition before making the next move. With the health check complete, it's time to crunch the numbers and face the big decision every rider dreads: repair or replace. This is where logic meets passion, and your wallet gets a say. Sometimes, a top-end refresh is all you need, a relatively affordable fix that can breathe new life into your bike. But if the diagnosis calls for a full engine rebuild, the costs can escalate quickly. often catching owners off guard. Labor charges, specialized tools, and genuine parts add up fast. Before you know it, you're staring at a bill that could run into the thousands, especially for high-performance or rare models. So, is it worth pouring money into your current ride, or does it make more sense to start fresh, with a new machine? This is a crossroads every motorcycle owner faces at some point. New bikes come packed with the latest technology, advanced safety features, and manufacturer warranties. There's a certain peace of mind that comes with knowing your ride is covered, but all that innovation comes at a premium price. On the other hand, rebuilding your current bike can often give you another 100,000 kilometers or more, and for less money than buying new. Plus, there's something special about keeping a trusted companion on the road, but if the repair bill keeps climbing, it might be smarter to consider a newer used bike. These can offer modern features and reliability without the sticker shock of a brand new model. Ultimately, it's a balancing act. Your wallet, your heart, and your head all have a vote. Sentimental value can be powerful, but financial reality matters too. Don't just look at the sticker price. Factor in ongoing maintenance, insurance, and the potential for future repairs. Sometimes the numbers tell a different story than your emotions. For many, rebuilding is the best value, restoring performance and reliability without breaking the bank, and keeping a beloved bike on the road. But sometimes, letting go is the right move. A new chapter can bring excitement, safety, and a fresh start. The right answer depends on your priorities, your budget, and your dreams for the road ahead. There's no one-size-fits-all solution. Whatever you choose, make sure it fits your journey, because every ride should be worth the adventure. 3 paths: rebuild, restore, or retire. Rebuild if the core is sound, refresh what's worn, keep riding. Restore if the bike is special, a classic, a dream, a piece of history. Restoration is about heart, not just function. Retire if the damage is too great, sometimes letting go is right. Part it out, sell it as a project, or keep it as a memento. Each path has its own rewards and challenges. The key is honesty, about the bike, your skills, and your feelings. There's no shame in any choice. What matters is making it with care. Your bike's next chapter is up to you. Let's be honest, logic isn't everything. A bike with 100,000 kilometers is part of your story. Every mile is a memory, trips, storms, laughter, escapes. The dents and scuffs are souvenirs, not flaws. A new bike can't replace those memories. That's why many riders rebuild or restore, even when it's not the smart choice. The bond runs deeper than mechanics. It's about loyalty and shared adventures. To give up now feels like betraying an old friend. You fix what's broken, care for what matters, and keep riding. The next chapter is waiting. The memories are worth every effort. 100,000 isn't the end. It's a milestone. Pause, reflect, and appreciate the journey. Give your bike the care it deserves and decide its future. High mileage is a badge of honor, not a warning sign. Whether you rebuild, restore, or retire, do it with pride. The choice is yours. Head and heart together. You know your bike best. Trust your judgment. The bond between rider and machine is special. When the nines roll over, feel excitement, not dread. You're joining the club of high-mileage heroes. Thank your bike for the adventures, and get ready for more. The road ahead is long, and your story isn't over. The adventure continues, 1 kilometer at a time.